Hi, this is number 17 from the Chapter 8 homework. It's from section 8.2, which is dealing with a claim about a proportion. I thought this would be a good one to do because it's a little bit different. For this one, it gives information about smokers who try to quit smoking after a patch therapy, and it said 35 were smoking after the treatment, 1 year after the treatment, and 30 were not. Altogether, that's 65 people. At the 0.01 significance level, tests the claim that among the smokers who try to quit with a therapy, the majority are smoking 1 year after. So majority would be more than half. So my claim is more than half. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2 is you write down the opposite, which is less than or equal to 0.5. And then from there, you come up with your known alternative. So it's this one right here. Okay, to get the test statistic and the p-value, I just went straight to my calculator, so I thought I would show you. I wrote it down here, but I thought I'd show you that. So I hit my stat key, go to test, go to number 5. P0, just kind of remember that's the number of the null hypothesis. X is how many people are still smoking after a year, and N is a total. And then for this one, I want to pick the same thing as the alternative hypothesis, so I want the greater than sign. And if I go down to calculate, the two things I get from my calculator is a test statistic and this p-value that's right there. Okay, so those are the two things I need. So we're just going to use a p-value method here. So with the p-value method, we compare the p-value with alpha. This is my p-value. And let's see, what was alpha was 0.01. Okay, in this case it's greater. Okay, so it's a greater than. If you kind of go to this here again, if the p-value is greater than alpha, you're going to fail to reject the null. Okay, so I failed to reject the null. According to this information. And then for the last part, the wording, that's like this number 8 here. It's always helpful if you have this with you. So the original claim did not have an equal sign, is greater than. Does not. And then we did fail to reject. So it does not have an equal sign, which is these two, and we failed to reject. So this should be kind of the wording. There's not sufficient evidence to support the claim. They say there's insufficient evidence to warrant support of the claim. So it's pretty similar. Okay, I will post this document on Canvas as well as actually keep the video up there as well.